there, Christina Siebertz, truthinit.com, and we are here once again, VMware Explore 2022. I am standing with Jeremiah from NetApp. Jeremiah, how are you today?
I'm doing well. About yourself?
I'm doing very well. Are you happy to finally be back in person after 2 years being remote?
We are all humans again. We're no longer Zoom tiles, and we really do exist. We're not in the Borg or something.
That's true. We are completely real and here and in the flesh. So Jeremiah, if you could just first give our audience a brief overview of your title, what you do at NetApp, and what you guys are showcasing today.
So I'm a global cloud architect. I cover our very large and growing cloud portfolio. It's 23 products and services today across all the hyperscalers that we work with. And of course today, or yesterday, we had the announcement of the integration that we have with FSxN, with AWS, as well as VMware as being a first-party data store service.
Wow, that's great. So what is really kind of the main driver behind this new solution? Is this something that's been driven by the pandemic? I know there's been a lot of business changes as a result of that. Is this something that's been in the works for a while? What really kind of drove this new solution?
Yeah, I think there's a number of people that have a number of different reasons of why they go to the cloud and which direction or path they go to. But what always is a requirement, whichever way they go, is enterprise class data management. And that's something that we've been doing for over 30 years. We've been partnered with the VMware for over a decade on-prem, providing that capability, but now we're partnering with VMware in the cloud to provide the same enterprise class capabilities in the cloud as we have for on-prem.
That's great. So are you really excited about this new thing, this announcement that just came out?
It's amazing. And the buzz with the partners and with customers, they've been waiting. It's pent-up demand. Everybody's waiting at the gate to get in first and go.
That's great. So when we think about kind of your ideal customer profile, right? So there's challenges and pain points and dilemmas in the organization and the IT environment. Can you give kind of some concrete examples of how this solution could solve some of those pain points or address some of those challenges?
Yeah, some of them are small office, home office, remote regional type environments that have a small subset of infrastructure, and they've had that because they've had to provide those services on-prem to those locations, and they required infrastructure to do it. Now they can pick that up and logically, if you will, put that into a cloud region closest to those end users and provide the exact same services almost at a fraction of the same cost.
Wow, that's great. So are there any particular verticals that you target in terms of like different industries, different company sizes?
Yeah, I think we're equal opportunity there. We work with everyone, and you see the use cases kind of across the board. I work with some of our larger strategic global size customers, but I also have conversations with customers that are like, look, I just want to get out of the data center business, and this is an easy way of doing that for them.
Yeah, that's great. Well, that all sounds like very interesting stuff going on at NetApp. So anything that you just kind of want to leave our audience with as a final note of where they can go to learn more about this, if they're interested in maybe doing a free demo, getting more information?
Yeah, the easiest, cloud.netapp.com. We've assembled everything that we're doing in cloud under one website with use cases, products, demos, total cost of ownership, calculators, everything's there in one place.
That's great. And can potential customers try out a kind of a trial as a free version?
Absolutely. And it's in the same place. One click lights up a demo for 30 days.
Great. That sounds awesome. Jeremiah, thank you so much for taking a few minutes to talk with us today. I hope you enjoy the rest of your show.
Thank you. You as well.
And we will be right back with more coverage.